Making mistakes is part of the learning process. In this acrylic video, I want to show you how I deal with mistakes and what you can do if you find yourself in the same boat. From my stash of forgotten supplies, I'm using an acrylic ink to apply a tonal wash over this pencil sketch. Everything was going well until I took out this fan brush to swipe ink on. Yikes! That's not how I thought it would turn out, but I'm still going to keep painting. Mistakes like these are not uncommon, and because it's acrylic, it's easy to paint over the area. You can even apply a little gesso in case you need more mess coverage. To keep it simple, I'm using the Zorn palette of 4 colors: titanium white, yellow ochre, cadmium red medium, and ivory black. Instead of using only black, I'm mixing it with red for variation. Depending on what you're painting, you could also mix it with a touch of yellow for a very dark green. Since the ink wash was light, it's easy to follow the pencil outline when painting detail. This limited palette makes it easy to mix color and adjust it when needed, so I would highly recommend it for portraits. My model for this demo is Lily. In case you're wondering, she's a Husky-Collie mix. To change the background color, I added a light wash, but even that didn't turn out quite as I imagined it would. Instead of starting over again, I'm just going to continue painting. Adding more defining detail to important features on the face will draw the eye away from the messy background. Problem solved. To mute the brightness of this pink for the gums, I'm going to mix a touch of black to mute it. Since ivory black represents blue in this palette, it's like painting purple. Making mistakes is part of the learning process, and painting in acrylic makes it easier to deal with it. Well, I hope you found this short demo helpful. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for new videos every week.